A definition of cryptography and blockchain. Cryptocurrency is a digital asset. The word crypto in its name simply refers to the encryption that underpins the digital currency. Cryptocurrencies are used for different purposes, and they are not specifically designed for any one purpose only. Cryptocurrencies are also called virtual currencies because they operate on a network of computers rather than on a central bank or financial institution, as is the case with physical money. Virtual currencies cannot be printed like fiat money, but are generated by computers that solve difficult math problems so as to verify and validate other transactions on the blockchain. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital asset that does not have any physical representation in the real world, such as US dollars and euros. Cryptocurrencies are created by computer code, so they are not governed by a central authority. They are decentralized, meaning they are not controlled or owned by any person, organization, or government. Most people associate cryptocurrencies with Bitcoin, but there are many other virtual currencies, called altcoins. These are digital assets that compete with Bitcoin, and they may be created with different goals in mind. The most famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which has been in the news a lot recently. People are excited about cryptocurrencies because they are decentralized. Decentralized because they are not controlled by any government or institution, and because they can be used for anonymous transactions. How blockchain works with cryptocurrency. Blockchain is a decentralized database technology that underpins some of the most popular cryptocurrencies. Blockchain is a decentralized network that is created by computers all around the world. Data is stored in these networks using cryptography. The way blockchain works with cryptocurrency is that you make a transaction on the blockchain, which is basically an electronic record that shows you sending X amount of money to the recipient's address. The transaction is verified by the network, and if it is verified, the recipient's address receives X amount of money. This process is completely transparent, secure, and permanent, but it is also completely decentralized. No main authority is collecting all this data on what is happening, or who is sending or receiving money. All this data is stored on multiple computers all around the world. So if you want to look up one transaction, you have to cross-reference all the computers that store this data, which requires a lot of coordination. This is why blockchain is seen as such a promising technology for businesses. It solves the scalability problem for many businesses, especially for businesses that have a huge transaction volume. Popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum operate on blockchain technology. Crypto wallet. Cryptocurrency wallets are essentially software programs that store your cryptocurrency. There are many cryptocurrency wallets available on the internet, and they are essentially custom-built software programs. Cryptocurrency wallets are similar to the way banks store different types of money. In fact, there is a whole branch of traditional finance called investment banking, which is all about handling money in different forms and helping people invest in different forms of assets. Investment banking and cryptocurrency wallets are very similar. They are both meant to store different forms of money, and they are both centralized, yet they are very different from each other. The problems associated with centralized cryptocurrency wallets are that hackers can steal your money, and that you have to trust the company that runs the wallet with your money. You have to trust that the company is not going to run away with your money. That is a significant problem, because if the company goes bankrupt or disappears, you have no way of getting your money back. The only solution to this problem is to find a cryptocurrency wallet that is run by a decentralized group of people who are not going to run away with your money. Popular cryptocurrency wallets include Coinbase, Blockchain, and Mitherwallet. Popular cryptocurrencies. The most popular cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Many more cryptocurrencies have been created using these basic blockchain technologies, but these are the most well-known. Bitcoin is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. It was created by an unknown person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009, and the initial value was set at just over 0.09. In 2011, Nakamoto released the first Bitcoin Core software that allowed users to set up their own Bitcoin wallets, places in the network that store the ledger of past transactions and are used to send and receive cryptocurrency. Bitcoin was the first well-known cryptocurrency, created in 2009. Since then, many other cryptocurrencies have been created that piggyback on the basic blockchain technology behind it. Ethereum is one of the most well-known cryptocurrencies, created in 2015 using the basic blockchain technology behind Bitcoin. Ethereum's blockchain supports a different function than Bitcoin's, so it's also known as an altcoin. Litecoin is another well-known cryptocurrency that was created in 2011. It uses the basic blockchain technology behind Bitcoin and Ethereum, but is less resource-intensive than Bitcoin and trades at a more favorable rate. Advantages of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Fast and easy. You can use a credit or debit card to instantly buy Bitcoins. No need to go through lengthy verification processes or wait for a bank account to be opened. Just enter your card details and buy Bitcoins instantly. Low costs. Unlike traditional e-commerce solutions, cryptocurrencies do not charge users any fees for transferring funds. Privacy and security. No one can track the Bitcoins you send or receive, since there is no way to identify you. Durable. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, which means that they are not controlled by one country or person. Transparent. All transactions and transfers are public, which means that everyone can see what's happening. No interference. Governments and other third parties have no control over it. Disadvantages of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Volatility. Because it is a new technology, cryptocurrencies are highly volatile. Investing a huge amount of money in it can lead to a huge loss if the price crashes. Hackers. Since cryptocurrencies are decentralized, hackers can easily access your account and steal your funds. So it is advisable to keep your passwords safe and use strong passwords. No bank support. While traditional payment methods such as credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers have millions of active customers, cryptocurrencies are still in the early adopter phase. Thus, finding merchants who accept them can be a challenge. Regulatory uncertainty. There is a lot of uncertainty about how governments will regulate cryptocurrencies. Also, most countries have not issued any regulations about them, which makes it difficult for users to understand them and use them. Conclusion. Cryptocurrency is a virtual asset that is stored in a digital wallet. Blockchain is a decentralized database technology that underpins some of the most popular cryptocurrencies. Together, crypto and blockchain enable peer-to-peer transactions without the need for a middleman like a bank. Although this technology is still in its early stages, it is growing rapidly and has tremendous potential to change the world. Since it is decentralized, it is censorship-resistant and offers financial privacy.